Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 8th July. And first of all, national news. Preamble like parenthood cannot be changed howsoever you try. Vice President. Peacetime is nothing but illusion. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Social Justice Ministry seeked additional allocation for overseas scholarship. 6. Rail projects announced for Bihar to boost connectivity. Tata Memorial Hospital launch cancer care training program for BIMSTEC countries. IMD forecasted widespread rainfall with thunderstorms across India. Relief and restoration work on in Uttarakhand. And now some international news. Iran expressed gratitude to BRICS blocs for condemning attack on it. Israel launched airstrikes on Yemen's Red Sea ports. Jennifer Simons elected Suriname's first women president after historic coalition deal. Typhoon Daras created havoc across Taiwan, more than 500 injured. Now, sports news. ICC appointed Sanjog Gupta as its new CEO. Winning at Edgbaston will be one of my happiest memories whenever I retire. Shubman Gill. Former world champion Hatton 46 announced comeback. Now, news related to business. Chairing BRICS gives India leverage to foster economic cooperation among member nations. Capgemini to acquire WNS for a total cash consideration of $3.3 billion. Trump labeled BRICS anti-American, renewed 10% tariff warning. And that's all in news. Thank you.